All right, guys, now you've spent a lot of time and money building up your project, and you're getting really close to hitting the trails. But with all of your excitement, don't overlook the little things. Now, when we were underneath our Tacoma, we saw a couple of those things that might cause an issue. One of the first things we noticed right away was the radiator. Now, we noticed when we were underneath the truck doing the suspension work that the very first thing that we might come in contact with if we ever got into a sticky situation would be the radiator. But we also noticed that underneath the truck, when we put our big axle underneath here, as that flexes out, it may come in contact with the oil pan. So we're going to get rid of this one and switch it out for something else. Plus, it gives me a reason to drain the old oil out of this and put some fresh stuff in it. We'll use a 14mm wrench to get the drain plug off. And once the oil's out, we'll take the inspection cover off. And next is the oil pan. We'll have to pry that off, that's kind of stuck up there. Now, we went to summitracing.com and picked up a kit to do the swap. Their kit includes a rear sump oil pan and a rear pickup tube. Now, all we have to do is get all of this back up there. Gonna clean this up so I don't have an oil leak. That takes care of the bottom. Remember how we talked about the radiator in the truck being a little too long and it possibly coming in contact with some stuff when we're on the trail? Well, we got a solution for that as well. This is a radiator out of a two-wheel drive Tacoma, and it's just a little bit shorter. Plus, it comes with the brackets, so it'll be an easy swap. Now, all we have to do is get rid of this one and put the shorter one in place. Out with the old, and in with the new. Now, as long as I don't bend the fins. Well, there you have it. Doing this swap, we went from the radiator being way down below this big engine cross member to up between the frame rails being nice and safe. And that's going to give us plenty of clearance. But before I go wash my hands, I got a couple things I got to button up.